Masquerade muri Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zoom Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana kari kutanga kukuya paneno channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana uchungwa garoka subscriber, don't forget to comment and share this video. Masquerade Zimbabwe tawigira nyaya ya President Mnangagwa vakadzoka kubva ku SADC summit yakaitwa musi wa 4 ku Angola pane video takuigirai richiratidza Mnangagwa vachidzoka kubva ku Angola and vanenge vataura in a small interview yakaitwa naRuben Marwe. Kuti muzvinzwire mutiudze zvamufunga pamusoro pevideo iri mucomment section.
Comrade President, how did it go?
Excellent. With very successful SADC summit. Yes.
Any of those pretenders who might have wanted to smuggle issues over here, did they get?
No, these things happen in society. Not everybody is a priest. So you find these things happening, but we are so alert that we are going to deal with things that are relevant to the summit, which was called. This is extraordinary, which means there was a particular subject we had to discuss.
Only DRC issues.
Absolutely.
Thank you, Your Excellency.